mushrooms, it feels like it has bark on the top of it. And on the bottom, it feels velvety. Yeah. And they're like super rock hard. Watch.
They are. They're like a tree. That one is super interesting.
This kind of
has a lot of mushrooms
Oh
on
my god! And they're heavy, very heavy.
And like
that's like suede or leather or something.
like the wood.
We found it growing on trees.
Growing up in these trees.
Do you want to show me? Are there still some there?
I'm pretty sure there
Maybe
aren't
like
any.
left all the way over there.
Show me the tree they were on, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you can see that little shelf up there on this dead tree. So they're growing on the dead trees, and we are not identifying this at this time. Hopefully we can figure this out when we get back to the house.
I guess this is like a very interesting mushroom. It's like
Yeah, it has like
most
bark on the
interesting
top.
I've ever seen.
Mhm.
And it's made out of wood too.
It is. It's really interesting.
Like there's
I
some
never
wood
saw a
Reese,
mushroom.
Let
left
that one
from
go,
the
Reese.
tree.
Reese, I never saw a mama.
So,
I like never
feels
saw a
like
mushroom
velvet here.
that when you drop,
And on-
it breaks. I
and
never saw
on
one
the
that
back,
doesn't do
on the
that.
bottom.
This is like so
This
cool.
was like the top when I found it.
That
when I
one
pulled
looks
it
really
off,
nice.
This was the top.
That was the
And
top.
it feels like bark.
Reese, do you wanna hold this one?
And this
Maybe
was the
we have to
bottom.
take them home to identify.
That one looks really nice, like this one. If we get another, that one.
In there, this little like shelf mushroom. They're really cool. Oh, and over here. Growing on these branches that have fallen over. It's like a little fairy house or something. Gnome house.
Clean in my hands except for the spot. Now watch.
Yay, cool. Thank you.
Welcome.